I've met 1,000 faces in my life. Some felt right, but none felt true. I've chased the noise, I've missed the signs, till every road led me to you.
When I was searching without a map, love felt fragile, unsure, unclear. Then you stood right in front of me, and suddenly the answer was here.
No second guessing, no maybes left, no fear hiding in my mind.
When I say your name out loud, my heart knows every time. Ndiwe, Ndiwe,
no one else but you.
from sunrise kufika moonlight.
Every prayer I ever knew was pointing me straight to you.
Ndiwe, Ndiwe,
my chosen one, my forever has begun.
I don't need promises written in gold. Your actions speak when words fall short. In the quiet moments I see the truth, in the way you love me more and more.
Through every season, every change, you stand beside me, hand in hand.
Not just my lover, not just my friend, you're the one who understands. When the world tries to pull us apart, I hold you closer, not afraid. Because love like this doesn't hesitate.